In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tags in Insightly. If you've been using Insightly for a while, chances are your contacts have collected a lot of tags over time. Maybe some of them are outdated, incorrect, or you simply don't need them anymore. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quickest and cleanest way to remove tags from your contacts using the bulk edit feature, so you don't have to open each record one by one. First, start by opening Insightly and navigating to your contacts section. Make sure you're actually in contacts and not in leads, organizations, or another area, because tags are managed separately for each type of record. Once you're on the contacts page, you'll see a list of all your contact records. Next, look at the list and find the contact or contacts that have the tag you want to remove. On the left side of each contact row, there's a checkbox. Click the checkbox next to every record that currently carries the tag you'd like to delete. You can select just one record or multiple records at once if you want to remove the same tag from several people. Take a moment to double-check your selection here so you don't accidentally update the wrong contacts. Once you've selected your records, look towards the top of the screen for the Bulk Edit option. Go ahead and click on Bulk Edit. This tells Insightly that you want to make a change to all of the selected contacts at the same time. In the Bulk Edit panel that appears, you'll see different types of changes you can apply. Look for the option labeled Remove Tags and check that box. This is important because it tells Insightly that the change you want to make is specifically about removing tags, not adding new ones or editing other fields. After you've checked Remove Tags, you'll see a drop-down menu. Open this drop-down and you'll get a list of the tags currently available. From this list, select the tag you want to remove from the contacts you selected. If you're unsure, pause for a moment and confirm that this is truly the tag you want to clear from those records. When you're ready, scroll down to the bottom of the Bulk Edit panel and click Save Bulk Edits. Insightly will process the change and remove that specific tag from all of the selected contacts. Once it's done, you can refresh your contacts list or open a contact to confirm that the tag has been removed.